A day once today is day 15 of 100 dips every single day for 30 days. And gabi na naman, so tara. So yun guys, last 10 dips na tayo. Let's go. Guys, tapos na ang day 15 natin guys. Medyo matagal din yung rest day natin. Dapat 1 day lang pero nagkaroon ng maraming ano man, ayaan, birthdays. Bali na 3 rest days tayo guys. Rest day tayo guys. Kaya ngayon, kondisyon, medyo magaan yung dips natin ngayon. Kaya day 15, let's go. Tomorrow guys, day 16, abangan nyo ulit. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And huwag nyo kakalimutan, alagaan nyo mga sarili nyo. At I'm out. Peace.